Are you facing the issue how to delete blank pages from PDF files? Or how to manage your PDF files? Looking for a powerful solution to manage your PDF files like remove blank pages, extract fonts, delete images and others? If yes, download the BitRecover PDF Buddy software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Tool comes with simple software interface. Click on Start button to continue the process. Click on Select File option to browse PDF file from your system. Click on Select Folder option to browse PDF folder from system and then tap on Select Folder button. Click on Start button to continue the process. Mark the files in folder and unmark the rest. Click on Next button. Continue the process. Click on folder icon and pick a location to save conversion result. Select option as per requirement to edit your file. Choose Detect and remove blank pages from your PDF file. Click on Start button to start the process. Process completed successfully. Click on OK button. Tool convert only first PDF file in trial edition. Tool open destination location automatically. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get your PDF file without blank pages.